In this video, we will do some more questions related with RD account. So let's do it. A man has an RD account in a bank for 3.5 years. The rate of interest 12% per annum, and the man gets rupees 10206 at a maturity. Find the value of monthly installment. In this question, we have to find the monthly installment. So let's first write what is given in this question. So here, the time which is n given is 3.5 years. That is 3 into 12 plus 6 months means 36 plus 6, or we can say it is 42 months. And the rate of interest, which is R, is 12% per annum. And we have maturity value is 10206 rupees. Now, let principal for this question be x. Now, using the formula of interest, we will find first interest and then we will put the value of interest in maturity value. So we will able to find the monthly installment. So let's do it. I equals to T into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. So on putting the value of P, we have x into, in place of R, we will write 42 into 42 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into, here R is 12, so we will write 12 upon 100. This 12 cancel out this 12 and this 2 cancel out 2 and 1. So x into 21 into 43 upon 100. Let me multiply. So I become 43 into 21. Here 43 and this becomes 3, 10, 9. So 903x upon 100, or we can say interest is 9.03x. This value of interest we will use it. The maturity value formula is MB equals to P into N plus I. We have P, which we consider as x, into N. We have N is 42 months. We have previously find, and the value of I we have find is 9.03x. And the maturity value we obtained is 10206. Now we will multiply 42 into x, which is 42x plus 9.03x. On adding both these values, we will obtain 51.03x, which is equals to 10306, and the value of x become 10206 divided by 51.03. On solving this, we will obtain 200. So the monthly installment is 200 rupees only. Which is the answer. Now we look one more question. So here in this question, Mrs. Geeta deposit rupees 350 per month in a bank for 1 year and 3 months under RD scheme. If the maturity value of her deposit is rupees 5565, find the rate of interest per annum. So in this question we have given principal, which is P, is 350 per month. And n, which is time, 1 year plus 3 months, which is 12 plus 3, which become 15 months. And maturity value we have already given in this question is 5,565 rupees. So using the formula of interest, which is I equals to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. On putting value, so I equals to P, which is 350 into n, which is 15 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. On solving I, which is equals to 350 into 15 plus 1 60 into R upon 100, and this is 2 into 12. So this cancel out by 4 tables, and so this is 350 into 5 into 2 into R upon 100. So we will get this 0 cancel this 0, and 5 to the 10. So 35 into 10 into R upon 10. This 10 cancel out this 10. So we will obtain I equals to 35 R, which we use in maturity value formula. MV equals to P into N plus I. We know the value of P is 350, which is given in question, and the value of N is 50. We multiply this, and then we add the value of I, which is 35 R, and the value of MV, which is maturity value, is 5565. On multiplying this, we will obtain 35 into 50, which is 25. If I have 50 plus 2, 70 plus 35, which become 5, 2, 5. So 5 to 5, 0 plus 35 R, which is equals to 5565. So 35 R equals to 5565 minus 5250. On subtracting, we obtain 5, 1 and 3. So 35 R equals to 315, and the value of R is 315 divided by 35. On solving, we have 35 and 9. So the value of R is 9% per annum. This is the answer. Now we look one more question. So in this question, Mr. Gulati has a RD account of rupees 300 per month. If the rate of interest is 12% and the maturity value of this account is rupees 8,100, find the time of RD account. So in this question we have given P, which is 300 per month, and the rate of interest is 12% per annum, and the maturity value is 8,100 rupees. Here we have to find N. So first we use the formula of simple interest or interest, which is I equals to P into N plus 1 whole divided by 2 into 12 and R upon 100. So the value of P is 300. On putting the value, we have n plus 1 2 multiply by 12. This R value is 1200. So 12 cancel out this 12 and these two zeros cancel these two zeros. So we have I equals to 3n plus 1 divided by 2. The value of I we use in the maturity value formula. So the maturity value formula is MV, which is Pn plus I. Because we have already given in question the maturity value, which is 8100, we write it, and the value of P is 300 into n plus the value of I is 3n plus 1 divided by 2. Now we will take the LCM. We have 8100 equals to 3 to the 6 00 n plus this 3n multiplied by this bracket, which is n plus 1. So 3n square plus 3n. The whole value is divided by 2. Now we will multiply 8100, which is become 00216, and this is 3n square plus 603n. Now we transpose, so we will obtain 3n square plus 603n minus 16200 equals to 0. As we see, the equation is divisible by 3, so we will divide by 3. So we get n square plus 201n minus 5400 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, so we will use middle term breaking method, which is n square plus 225n minus 24n minus 5400, which is equal to 0. From this two we will common out n. This become n plus 225, and from these two we will common out 24, so it becomes n plus 225. So the value of n equals to 24 plus n minus 225. So we consider n equal to 24, which is also 2 years. So the time period is 2 years or 24 months. Now we look one more question, which is the last question of exercise 2A of chapter number 2. So in this question, Mr. Gupta opened a RD account in bank. He deposit rupees 2,500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. We have to find the total interest and the rate of interest. So first we will find how much amount Mr. Gupta deposit in 2 years. So he deposit amount in 2 years or in 24 months, which is the principal which he pay per month 2,500 into 24. On multiplying 2,500 into 24, we get 60,000. So this amount he deposit in 2 years, and the interest he get is the maturity value minus the principal into time, which is 60,000. So 67,500 minus 60,000. Mr. Gupta obtained is 7,500 rupees, which is the answer of first question of question number 11. Now we have to find the rate of interest. So we using the formula of interest, I equals to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Here we have to find the value of R. In place of I, we put the value of interest, which is 7,500, equals to the principal, which is 2,500, into value of n is 24 into 24 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 and R by 100. These two 0 cancel out these two 0 and 12 1 12 2. So 7500 equals to 25 into 25 into R. So the value of R equals to 7500 divided by 25 into 25 is 6 to 5. On cancelling, we obtain the value is 12% per annum, which is the answer of second question.